In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Google Reviews on a Webflow site with a code block. Start by opening the Webflow website. Once you're in your dashboard, hover over your project, then click Open in Webflow. This takes you into the designer so you can place the review widget directly on the page where you want it to appear. Next, open a new browser tab and go to the Google Reviews widget site from Elfsight. If the link is in the pinned comment, copy it from there and paste it into the address bar. Then open it. On the Elfsight page, click Create Widget for free. A template gallery will open. Move your cursor over the layout you want to use. Then click Continue with this template. When the editor opens, make sure you're in the Content tab in the left sidebar. Now click into the business URL or named field. Paste the Google Maps URL of your demo business into that field. After you paste it, wait for the matching result to appear in the list. Then click the correct result. After that, wait for the reviews to load. This can take a moment while Elfsight pulls in the review data for that business. If you want to change how the widget looks, click the Layout tab and adjust the grid type. Then click the Style tab and change the accent color so it matches your site. Once that is done, go to the bottom left corner and click Add to Website for free. A sign-up prompt will appear. Sign up with Google or with your email address. This creates a free Elfsight account, and it usually takes about 20 seconds. After the account is ready, click Publish in the top right. A pricing plan screen may appear here. If it does, choose the free option. If you already have an account, you can close the widget window. That will take you to the My Apps section, where your widgets are listed. In the upper right corner of the widget card, click the three dots. Then click Embed Code. When the code window opens, click Copy Code to copy the full embed snippet to your clipboard. Now switch back to your Webflow Designer tab. In the top left toolbar, click the Add panel icon. In the search bar, type Embed. As you type, look for Code Embed in the results. Drag the Code Embed element onto the canvas and place it into the section where you want the Google Reviews to appear. As soon as you drop it in place, the Edit Code window should open automatically. Click inside the code area, then paste the Elfsight snippet you copied. After the code appears in the field, click Save and Close in the bottom right corner of the window. On the canvas, you'll now see a gray placeholder labeled with the embedded code tag. That is expected. The real Google Reviews widget does not fully render on the canvas at this stage. It will appear when you use preview mode or after you publish the site. To check it, click the play icon in the top left of the Webflow toolbar to enter preview mode. In the top left area, make sure Enable Custom Code is turned on. If this is your first time using custom code on the page, give it a little time to load, because the first load can take longer. Then scroll down to the section where you place the code Embed. Confirm that the Google Reviews widget appears and that you can see the stars, the review text, and the business name. Once you've confirmed that it loads correctly, click the play icon again to exit preview. Now it's time to make it live. Click Publish in the top right corner of the designer. In the Publish panel, check the box for your webflow.io subdomain. If you also have a custom domain connected, check that too. Then click Publish to selected domains. Wait for the green site as live confirmation to appear. This usually takes about 5 to 10 seconds. When the publish is finished, click the webflow.io URL in the Publish panel. That opens the live site in a new tab. Scroll down to the area where you added the embed and confirm that the Google Reviews widget is displaying correctly with live data. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. At this point, your published Webflow page is showing a live Google Reviews widget with star ratings, reviewer names, and review text pulled directly from the Google business profile you connected. The widget updates automatically as new reviews are posted on Google.